Welcome back to Chokitable Media. I want us to examine the case of this man. He's a teacher, I think in Bauchi State. Settle down and watch the video. I think his case is supposed to be revisited by those in authority. To me, it seems like something is amiss with the outcome of the committee that was set up to tackle the problem or look into the matter of sexual harassment that he was accused of in his school by two boys, according to what the man said. This man, in my opinion, should be given his own right of response, the right to defend himself. He should not be coerced. The man is speaking earnestly, talking that he was not being treated fairly at the sitting and the decision that people in the committee set up by the government or by the school teachers authority over there, the one they took over him. I want us to listen to him too. You'll feel pity for him. I think this case must be well investigated so that at least an innocent soul will not be punished for the crime he didn't commit, and that is why I have to feature this. This video was broadcasted by AIT in Abuja, and I want you to listen to it as well.
Amos Joshua, a 54-year-old senior education officer, was accused of sexual harassment and later dismissed. A statement issued by the Bauchi State Civil Service Commission Public Relations Officer, Saleh Umar, after its 32nd plenary session held on September 11, 2025, announced his dismissal from the Government College Azare. According to the Commission, the decision followed findings of serious misconduct that violated Rule 0327 of the Bauchi State Civil Service Regulations, particularly the provisions relating to sexual harassment. It was revealed that several disciplinary panels reviewed the case before the final decision was reached, but Joshua insisted he is innocent of the allegation. When we met him, he broke down in tears, saying his career and reputations have been destroyed.
I want the world to know that I teach in a male school. So a boy, I was teaching in the class and a boy disturbed my class and I flogged him. And it led to setting a committee. I came and I saw two children, two boys in JS1 for that matter, two boys in JS1, and I was thinking about, I said, what could these boys be doing here? And so one, they asked me, one said I was teaching in class, then I now asked him to sit down and open his leg. And I asked the boy, on what ground will I ask you to open your leg? There was no response from the boy. The second one said, they came for labor in my house. Then I said, I want to see his pubic hair. And I also asked, on what ground? This thing that I'm telling you happened in second term. In second term. So the question I kept on asking is, why will they now bring this issue up? Because I disciplined a boy in the class. Why would they bring the issue up? Nobody couldn't tell me anything tentatively concerning the committee they set in school at Azare.
Joshua also claimed he was not given a fair hearing.
Send their report to the board. Board invited me and I came and I met with board. And the chairman of board asked me, did I know the reason why I'm here? I told him I don't know any reason. I don't know the reason why I'm here because there could be so many reasons for him inviting me. So he said, did anything happen in Azare? And then I said, yes. Come with boys? I said, yes. And I told him that I have my integrity as a person to protect, the integrity of my faith to protect, the integrity of my family to protect. I will never do such thing. I will never, and I'm telling the world that I will never do such thing. I want to plead with our amiable governor, the governor of Bauchi State, our transforming governor, to come into this issue and fight injustice for me.
Efforts to obtain additional comments from the chairman of the Civil Service Commission, Dr. Ibrahim Muhammad, were unsuccessful as he declined to speak on the matter. Meanwhile, concern linger over whether due process was fully observed before the dismissal, under Rule 0327. Some legal experts argue that only competent court can determine guilt in such sensitive allegations.
By law, we are saying that the said dismissal, it does not follow the rightful channel that it's supposed to do, because even the Civil Service Commission rule of Bauchi State clearly stated that an officer can be dismissed when the allegation against him is a serious one and the evidence of that serious allegation has been established against that officer, which will left the commission with any other option than either to dismiss him or to give him to retire him or to terminate his appointment. But to us, in this procedure followed by the commission by dismissing Amos Joshua from the Civil Service Commission does not follow the rightful way as the law stated.
For now, Joshua remains out of service, his career on the line, and his integrity under public scrutiny. As the case unfolds, it highlights not only the gravity of sexual misconduct allegations in the workplace, but also a human toll when questions of justice and fairness come into play. Damina Yusuf, AIT News.
After listening to it, and I will like you to just consider the speed they used to settle this matter and pass judgment on this man. If you are to be politically exposed, if he has money and he has connection, things like that will not happen in Nigeria. For sure, it will definitely not happen. We have several cases of sexual harassment going on in Nigeria. So, the politically exposed people, starting from the Senate down to, the political class, which level they might be, nothing has been done about it. It was like they sweep it under the carpet because these people seems like they are above the law. If this type of treatment melted out to this man could have been done from the highest place, bringing them also closer to the law, or even bringing them to the law, sanity would have been brought back into Nigeria society, talking about harassment, sexual harassment, and all the rest. I have a case in mind. Probably that is what you have in mind too. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. This is Chukitable Media. Please, justice must be served, and this man must be helped. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Put on your notification button, and God bless you as you do. Also, don't forget to put your comments in the comment section. See you next time.